Huh. It's nice to walk out here. You know, it's better at nighttime, but it feels nice. Be on the surface, and there's nothing could possibly go wrong. Wait, what's that sound? Was this coming from that valley over there? I guess we could check it out. Hello? Quiet noise. Where are you? Huh? Oh, it's in that box. Open and see. Huh? Oh, it's a baby. Hey, come here. It's okay. Hey, shh. It's okay. It's okay. Shh. It's okay. Here, I'll bring you home. Later. Papyrus! Yeah, what is it, brother? Look what I just found in the box. A baby? Yes, I found a baby. It was in that box in the valley outside. Whoa! Do you know what kind of gender is that? What, you think it's a boy or a girl? Uh, I don't know. I better go check. Okay, let me see. Okay, it's a girl. A baby girl in here? Ooh, oh, she's so cute. Yeah. I don't know why someone left their baby here. It's probably dumb people did that. Ugh. Yeah, people do not respect that. So, what are you gonna name it? Um, what do you want me to name it? Actually, you found it, so you name the baby. Well, I guess I'll name it Katori. Katori, huh? That's a beautiful name! Yeah, I guess it is. Even though she is cute. Yes, she is, and she's still crying. Oh yeah, I think you probably need like a baby blanket or and a bottle of milk, please. Don't worry, I'll get that for you. Okay, okay, thanks, bro. Hey, Katori, it's okay. Shh, it's okay. Hey, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Katori, my bro is gonna get the baby blanket and a bottle of milk for you. Okay, Sans, I'm back, and I got the bottle of milk and the baby blanket. Okay, thanks, bro. Okay, wrap Victoria up. Okay, give me the milk bottle. Here you go. Drink up. Whoa, she must be really hungry. Yep, she must be. So, Sans, yeah, well, you found this baby and what? Are you gonna adopt her? Hmm, you know, I guess I'll adopt this kid. Oh, Sans, okay, we're gonna adopt it. And you're the father, right? Yeah, I'll be the father, and you'll be the uncle. Awesome! I'm gonna be the greatest uncle ever! Yep, and I'll be a great dad. Whoa. Well, I can't believe it, she drank all her milk! Yeah, well, she did. She must be really hungry, isn't she? I sure hope so, Sans. Aww, Victoria's sleeping. Oh, so cute! Anyway, Sans, probably tomorrow, let's go baby shopping. Yeah, even though we had to keep our voices down because my little girl is sleeping. Yeah, anyway, I guess I'm going out to bed. Good night, Sans. And good night, Katori. I love you guys. We love you too, bro. Don't worry, let's go to my room. Well, Katori, you're so cute when you're sleeping. I'm sure you'll be a good kid when you grow up. I love you, Katori. And good night. Okay, so that was Father Classic Sans X Baby Katori. It's kind of like a prologue, you know. It's all like that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. And I hope also I will give credit the artist credit to this. It's a good sans. I like it. So also it was requested by Faith, and I hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe to me. I'll do more of this soon now. So peace out, guys. Love you all.